Hello everyone, in this tutorial video, we will give step-by-step instruction for the ALC to verify the maternity benefit scheme. Log into your dashboard and navigate to Claims. Select the claim to verify from the list. And go to Options and click View. You can now click on View to check the uploaded documents. Once all documents and claim is verified, you can either reject or verify accordingly. For this tutorial purpose, we will just verify it. To verify the claim, go to Actions and click Verify. Enter appropriate remarks and check the consent box. And click the Confirm button to complete the verification. On success, the claim status will change to verified. That's it. This is how ALC can verify the maternity claim. Thank you and bye.